pencil sharpener, a rocket glue stick, modeling clay inside a planet, and a UFO pencil stand? Find out how to make school supplies straight out of space in our new video. Stevie's feeling paranoid. He's sure that aliens are very near. They're spying on him and preparing an invasion. Or maybe aliens are already among us and they look like teachers. Stevie is terrified for a good reason. The aliens feel the threat coming from Stevie and quickly swap him for an alien clone. Now it's Humanoid S. He will be a good student. And he will introduce new space school supplies into the school. For example, this little UFO for pencils. We will need 2 styrofoam balls of different sizes. Cut them in half. We will use only 2 halves. Draw a circle on a piece of cardboard using compasses. Cut it out. Make identical holes on the surface of the smaller half with the hot nozzle of a glue gun. Stick 3 wooden sticks into the bigger piece so that it stands still. Attach the cardboard circle on top and the smaller styrofoam semi-sphere. Color the piece with acrylic paint. Define UFO details. Attach colorful light clay balls along the perimeter between styrofoam and cardboard. Coat the styrofoam with white glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Stick crayons into the holes. An unidentified flying object with crayons has landed right on the desk. Christy is amazed by her desk mate. Stevie's not acting like himself. But the new crayon stand looks so out of this world. Humanoid S refreshes his supernatural skills. He practices levitation on a little asteroid without anyone noticing. Christy is surprised by her neighbor's new hobby. If only she knew what's inside this asteroid. Cover a pencil sharpener in light clay. Shape it like a ball. Free the hole for a pencil. Attach balls of clay to the surface and press in each one in the center using a stick, making craters. Color the asteroid with acrylic paint. Paint the surface gold and the craters darker bronze. Humanoid S is positive that no one notices him playing. But his neighbor is not the only person to see the unusual toy. Miss Olivia Cactus disciplines him. The toy has to be on the teacher's desk. Here you are. The asteroid flies to the teacher. Except that it's not a toy, it's a pencil sharpener. It turns out that aliens need to sharpen their pencils too. You only have to find the right crater. Something mysterious is flying around the classroom. The radar shows a flying object. Is it Humanoid S's rocket ship? New alien technologies allow a rocket to turn into anything. Does Christy need a glue stick right now? Easy peasy. Cover a glue stick in light clay. Shape the cap into the tip of a rocket. Make the glue stick cylindrical. Attach wings to the sides. Add a window with acrylic paints. Color the rocket. Paint sections. Cut a burst of fire out of a glittering soft foam sheet. Define the outline with acrylic paint and attach it to the rocket. Humanoid S's rocket is landing. It shrinks down so much that it's pocket-sized and it turns into a glue stick. What a handy invention! Christy attaches all the paper she needs into her notebook at the speed of light. And Humanoid S quickly hides his means of transport in his pocket. It will still come in handy. Christy gives notebooks to the teacher. Olivia Cactus finds an amazing galaxy notebook in the stack. There's the entire universe on its cover. What a beautiful cosmic haze that hides faraway stars. Hot glue gold metallic cardboard to a hardcover notebook. Rub the cardboard with a wax candle. Apply a layer of acrylic paints on top. Paint it with space colors. Use a sponge. Turn the entire cover into a galaxy. This notebook is made at the Galaxy Factory and covered with special stardust. You can write both on the inside and on the outside. Olivia Cactus creates her own Milky Way on the cover. Our astronomy assignment is to make the solar system out of clay. Let's get started. The teacher gives everyone regular earthly clay. But Humanoid S is not satisfied. He wants to make his home only out of space clay that he brought from a different planet. Coat an empty Play-Doh container with acrylic paint the color of space. Attach a printed label. Decorate it with stars. Put in modeling clay of 3 colors: pink, blue, and purple. Cut a styrofoam ball in half. Scoop out a hole inside to fit the container. Put in the Play-Doh. Close the ball. Cover the cut with light clay. Draw concentric circles on the ball and color the rings you get with acrylic paints. Coat the borders of the strips with clear glue. Apply some glitter. Cut a wide ring out of thick cardboard. Paint Saturn's rings. Cover them with glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Insert a few wooden sticks into the ball. Hot glue the ring to them. Humanoid S takes a whole planet out of his backpack. How did he manage to sneak it into school? But that's not all yet. He takes a jar of Play-Doh out of the planet. It's cosmic Play-Doh of different colors. Christy likes the spectacular way her neighbor presented his clay. Humanoid S is sure that his clay is the best. It will help create the most natural-looking planets. Humanoid S confesses that he came from space for a scientific expedition, and his friends, space monsters, came with him. And even the humanoid decides to reveal his true look to Christy. S mysteriously disappears and a yellow markeroid appears on the desk instead. Draw an image of a space monster on a piece of a foam rubber sheet. Cut it out and color the monster with acrylic paints. Define the outlines and details with a marker pen. Hot glue a soft foam sheet loop to the back. Put in a highlighter. Make a few monsters of different colors. Christy is astonished. Where did her neighbor go? Some monster appeared on the desk instead. Wow! It's also a marker! Thank goodness that Humanoid S turned into something useful. He and his cute monsters must have flown from a planet of school supplies. Miss Olivia asks the class to open textbooks to a particular page. Christy doesn't remember where she put her book. Thank goodness that Humanoid S left his textbook, and he indicated all the important topics with bookmarks. Draw a galaxy on a piece of paper. Paint it and cut the paper into identical strips. Trace the planet following a template on PS food plastic. Cut it out. Make a few space pieces. Bake it for 1.5 minutes in an oven at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. The plastic shrinks evenly and you get a smaller copy of the planet. Color the planets with acrylic paints. Define the details with a pen marker. Attach the plastic pieces to the bookmarks. Christy solves this space mystery. If you put all the bookmarks together, then you will get a map of a galaxy. You can use it to easily find Humanoid S's home planet, so it means that our cosmic adventures are to be continued. Did you like our space school supplies? Then write in the comments which galaxy school supplies you will bring to school next time. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new space ideas on Troom Troom.